Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big topic that might sound intimidating, but is actually super empowering. Investing. You've worked hard for your money, right? So, shouldn't your money work hard for you too? That's exactly what investing is all about. It's not just for Wall Street pros in fancy suits, it's for everyone. Think of it as planting a money tree. You start with a small seed, your initial investment, and with time, patience, and a bit of care, it can grow into something much, much bigger. So, where do you even start? It's simpler than you think. The first step is to figure out your goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or maybe just want to build some extra wealth for the future? Your goals will help determine your strategy. For beginners, a great place to start looking into are things like index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets containing a whole bunch of different stocks which automatically diversifies your investment. Diversification is just a fancy way of saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It helps spread out the risk. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What if the market goes down? That's a valid concern. The market will have its ups and downs. That's totally normal. The key is to think long-term. Historically, despite the short-term bumps, the market has always trended upwards over time. The most important thing is to get started, even if it's with a small amount. Many apps and platforms today let you start investing with just a few dollars. The power of compound interest, where your earnings start earning their own money, is an incredible force, but it needs time to work its magic. So, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building sustainable, long-term wealth. Do your own research, find a strategy that feels right for you, and stay consistent. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you on your financial journey. See you in the next one.